Is it possible to revive a dead Instagram account? So the answer is yes, you can. So in this video, we're gonna covering the 5 most important things that you can do to revive a dead Instagram account. Alright, so to get the Instagram algorithm back on your side, engage with other accounts on the platform, comment on content from other creators and businesses in your niche, follow relevant hashtags and engage with the post, reach out to other your followers and leave likes and comment on their feed, posts and stories. So in a proper way, how would you do that? I'm going to tell you in this video, so make sure to watch it completely, otherwise you can miss something very important. Step 1. Check your analytics. So you need a foundation and understanding of where your account is currently at. With zero activity, pay attention to whether your stats are all in the red. Compare your insights at different stages like 30, 60 or even 90 days out. Checking your analytics might seem like a depressing place to begin this process, but it's ultimately where you will be able to grasp the baseline for later comparison, as well as the opportunity to let go of vanity metrics. Step 2. Finding your clients or customers. Hands down, the fastest way to revive your dead or dying account is to make the first move. Hashtags are the perfect way to engage with where your ideal clients or customers hang out regularly. They help contain segments of your larger niche or community, giving you a quick and convenient way to say hello and connect. And make sure, first of all, don't target your content marketing hashtags. This exercise specifically needs you to visit hashtags your ideal clients or customers use, but don't pick the biggest hashtags. You should target by medium volume hashtags to make sure you're only going to engage with the right ideal clients and customers. Step 3. Engage every day with others. Your primary objective is to let Instagram know that your account is active. You're simply priming your dead Instagram account for when you return to posting new content. Find 1 to 3 ideal client relevant hashtags. Scroll down the page until you find the most recent post. Look at all the posts and find 5 to 15 you are not already following. Follow their account, engage with their account, reply to their stories, send them a sentence or two responding to their story, and make sure to do not send them a pre-written wall of text, canned messages, or anything mentioned your offering services or products. You are simply breaking the ice and responding to their content with a personal message for them. Step 4. The most important step is to plan content your audience cares about. Now that you know where your older content stands, you should be familiar with what type of post did well with your older audience. Anytime you return after ghosting your dead Instagram account for a while, feel free to swipe your older captions and update them if you need to. Use them with a new graphic aligning with a type of content that performed well. Step 5. Share a quick update on your stories. The easiest way to let people know your plan to save a dying Instagram account is to share something to your story. Whether it's a behind the scenes look at what you are currently up to or a look back on why you took a break, share something now. Now that you have taken all the right measures to prime your account for a new growth, it's time to actually post content to see no longer that Instagram account. And this is all for today's video, guys. I hope this tutorial will help you out in reviving your dead Instagram account. Make sure to leave a like, comment down if you have any queries. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. And in the last, thank you so much for watching.